Hey, Five, and welcome to Thursday of Wellbeing Week. I hope you all have really enjoyed this time to really chill out, relax, recharge those batteries, and get yourself ready for the week ahead. Very quickly, I just want to touch base with you guys and show you a few things that I do to make myself feel better when I'm a bit stressed, because we all get stressed and we all have emotions and feelings, and I think it's so important to recharge, do some things that make us feel happy and relaxed as well. So first of all, this is, for those of you who do not know, this is Cooper. Here's my cuddle buddy. Gives the best snuggles, and when I feel really sad or angry sometimes, I actually go give him a bit of a cuddle to make myself calm down and feel better. So he is my little snuggle buddy. And then, I'll pop you down, Cooper. And then some other things I like to do is I actually like to listen to some music. So I got my AirPods here, and I like to play happy songs and things that really brighten up my mood. Even when I'm happy, I listen to music as well. So I think music is awesome, especially when you find a really good playlist and some awesome songs. Another thing I like to do is I like to actually keep a journal. So this journal is some things that I write down of my thoughts and feelings and just what's going on in my mind and in my life, and it's really good to reflect back on as well. And then another thing I love to do is read. So I love reading books. It takes me into a different place and it makes me forget about what's actually going on in the world right now. So I love reading and also getting my exercise. So I go for an hour walk every single day with Cooper. And I absolutely love it. It keeps me fit and healthy, and it just recharges my batteries, recharges my mind, and just makes me feel great to get out and about. And also, last thing, I actually really, really like this. I made this mug, okay? So see, it's got my grandma's name on it with a dog, okay? I love arts and crafts as well, so that makes me feel really good and happy, okay? Don't forget to drink lots of water, take breaks, take a rest, have a nap. It's okay to have a nap. And please make sure you reach out to myself or to your own teacher, and make sure that you talk to someone if you're feeling a bit down and a bit upset. Okay. All right. See you later, Year 5. Thank you for joining me.